In today's video, I got some new video gear off of Amazon, and I figured we'd do an unboxing and a quick review right here on this YouTube channel. Gotta get that unboxing knife out and ready so that we can check this out. I ordered a new tripod the other day. It is for my camera, and it is not to replace the one that it's on right now. I've actually been buying this tripod, well, I guess I haven't been. My mom actually introduced me to this tripod as a Christmas gift a while back, and they are just excellent tripods. These tripods have kind of been my go-to, like, de facto tripod for a long time. They're good value, and I think that they're just excellent products overall. They're really sturdy tripods. They come with this little carrying case. They're Mactrem, I don't know, but they're excellent tripods. This particular one that I'm unboxing, I think, is a 72-inch tripod, so it's the biggest one of the ones that I've gotten. Also inside the box comes an iPhone adapter so that you can mount your phone on the tripod. And believe it or not, this thing is really, really solid. Like, I've had some phone mounts and some tripod mounts for my iPhone over the years that have been absolutely hot garbage. This one, not so much. I mean, I've got several of these things from the different tripods that I've owned, and they're just really high quality. You can do landscape, you can open it up, you can do portrait, so you can get pretty crafty with the setup here on this, and I think that it's just an excellent iPhone holder. Let's get into the tripod itself, though. So it comes in this great little carrying case, and we can just go ahead and open it up. This particular one is actually the first one I've ever purchased that is black. The rest of the ones I have are a nice aqua blue-ish color. I really, really like the colors. So here's the actual tripod. Nothing crazy here, but it comes out looking really nice. It's actually got a little handle on it so you can carry it around, which is super cool. So we just pretty much attach this piece here to the top of the tripod, and just like that, we have a completed and ready to go tripod with a quick handle to grab it and get going, get some shots, get some work done. And this one, again, gets taller than the rest of them. But let me show you why I like the other ones that I have. So, of the model back here, I actually have two of these. And they have these great little attachment pieces. And this is what I always put my camera on when I'm filming videos. They just extend out like your ordinary tripod. But what's interesting about this particular one here is that this piece actually unscrews and becomes a monopod. So yeah, one of the things that I really like about this particular one too is that when you are using it, you can actually unscrew one of the legs and it becomes a really versatile little monopod. And just like with this blue one here, the black one is made out of some pretty nice materials and whatnot. This one is actually made out of aluminum, and I love that about it. It's just got this premium feel to it for a rather decent price. And I'm not sponsored by anybody. I always say that in my videos because I'm not big enough to be sponsored. But this is a great tripod. If you're looking for a tripod, you're looking for a way to mount your camera, I highly recommend these because I love using them. I take them to pretty much everything I use a camera for. That being said, this black one here does seem to be made out of plastic materials as opposed to the better aluminum quality materials, even at a similar price point. But it does have the advantage of being able to be used as a fluid head tripod, so you can just kind of open that up and have that handle access. So you trade the handle access on this one for the monopod ability on the other ones. But I am a big fan of the versatility of these tripods. I take them with me everywhere. This one extends out to be even taller, and it even comes with the little feet for the bottom of the tripod. Better than the Sunpack tripods. Almost as good, I would say, as the more expensive Manfrotto tripods, especially these ones that come in colors. The black one, I'm a little concerned about its build quality, but it seems nice, and I think it has promise to it. So anyway, that is my unboxing of this new tripod. I am looking forward to having it in my arsenal of filming products. I'm actually using it today to go shoot some interviews and stuff like that. So it's going to be a nice addition to have, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing because mostly why not? So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.